I'm not a fan of vibe coding, but I did found a great formula on if you want to vibe code something, how you can do something very great, very easy, very fast, and mostly secure. The formula will be using Xano as your backend, right? And building your backend logic yourself using their visual blocks, which makes it super simple to build advanced business logic on the backend. You can then get through Xano your open API spec. You can put that in Lovable or in any other AI tool, Replit, whatever you want to use, right? And just use those APIs that you have built inside of Xano and have AI build your front end. AI is terrible at backends. AI is really good at front ends. Have your front end be in Next.js, and you just build so you would build the logic of the application on the backend first. You'll build the database. You'll build the APIs. Then you get this open API spec, which has documentation to it. And then you just put this in the AI. AI knows already everything in your backend. It can connect to it. And then it'll just build that. You just make sure that you have authentication enabled on all your endpoints. And you have a pretty secure application then all set up with AI. And you can do this in a day, way faster than any no-code tool where you would have to build the whole interface could do it. So I'm not against vibe coding. I'm against vibe coding your backend because that could be a security issue, a big security issue. When it comes to, kind of like, building something that's a SaaS where webhooks are important, Stripe is important. But if you use Xano, the no-code backend for that, and just take that open API spec, upload it to Replit, go for it. That is exactly what, good development looks like, because the front end is not that important. It's just the back end that's the important thing. That can break your whole business. And if you do that in Xano, you have its own ability. So I think if I were to vibe code, this is how I would do it.